Hey everybody. Here with this video, we're going to start a series of videos about Power BI, and Power BI is an amazing software. You guys have to put your hands on it, have to learn how to do it. Companies are eager to have people doing this. They've been using a Power BI for a bunch of different things, and we're going to use it for our class. We're going to use with the real data from a company, Capstone Consultant Project we did a few years ago. So I'm not an expert in Power BI. This is just kind of introduction videos, but I suggest you guys go and Google and work with that and learn this tool because it can be very, very important when you're looking for jobs. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is the screen on Power BI. The first one, you open it. You just to download, you just Google Power BI, BI download here, desktop. So it's important. And then you click here and you see a way to download. It's important that you don't have a desktop Power BI for Mac. So Mac, you can only take a look at that. So you need to install a software to run this Power BI in Windows into your Mac. If you have a MacBook, sorry, I have a MacBook. That's always happen with us, right? So let's take a look at this. This is the first window when you open Power BI. So here you have a way to open a new one. You also have this. So if you want to learn more about Power BI, have some questions and doubts, you can click there, and they'll series of websites that will explain Power BI for you guys, and this is an additional information that you guys have. So click here on New Report, and it'll open this table that we're going to take a look at that more closely. But first thing to do is to import data, and we have data from Excel. So you click on import data. I'll make this data set, of course, available for you guys that are in my class, but it's the Alpac data Power BI. So you click on the data set that you want, you click open, and it'll start taking a look at the file, and it'll show the tables that we want to upload, right? So in this, we're going to upload capacity and shipment. So this was a project we did a few years ago with this company that transport and purchased chemical products. It's a plastic production company, and they have shipments that come into Wilmington and Charleston, and then those shipments are stored there with the boats arriving, and then the rail cars go and pick up those shipments and send it to their plants. So this is shipment data and rail car capacity data. So you click here on load. It's going to load those two tables into the Power BI file, and then we're going to have the data there, right? So you can use text, other data sets as well. We're going to use Excel. That's easy. So it's talking about these two tables that we just uploaded. Okay, so this is kind of how to upload data. Now a little bit of overview of the screen that we are. Okay, so here is the visuals are going to show in the middle. Here you have some things that you can do, like the get data we did. If you want to open another data set, or in this table that's come from this, and other stuff that we're going to learn a little bit here. Here are the different ways to visualize this data and these models that we have, and I'm going to talk about this. This is our report view. So this is where we're going to create all our views and charts and graphs and all the cool stuff that we can do. Here, table view, it's where you can actually view the data that you have. So like more similar to an Excel spreadsheet kind of format. So you can see the different tables. And on the right side are the different tables that we have. So we have a capacity table and we have a shipment table, right? These are the two files that we just uploaded. So here on the right are the files, and these are the rows, the columns that we have on the data set. The next one is the model. So this is one you're going to link, and we're going to do this later, link some of the columns, the data sheets together. And we also have the query view that we're not going to look at right now. Okay, but if you take a look here, you have all the data, the capacity, and the roles that we downloaded. And if you take a look, you can see that this capacity table looks pretty good. And the shipment table looks weird, right? It doesn't say the name of all the data sets, just say column 1 to column 11. And that's weird because the capacity is doing it right? So now we're going to take a look at some of the functions to clean data. Again, not going to go over every detail, but some of the functions that clean the data that could be interesting for us.